Positano, nestled on Italy's Amalfi coast, captivates with its dramatic cliffs, pastel-hued buildings, and azure Mediterranean vistas. A haven for lovers, it offers idyllic experiences. Wander hand in hand along its narrow, winding streets, drenched in charm. Revel in sunsets that ignite the horizon, painting the sea with fiery hues. Sink your toes into pebbly shores at Spiaggia Grande or Fornillo Beach, sharing quiet moments by the waves. Savor fresh seafood and local wines at intimate cliffside restaurants under the soft glow of candlelight. Boat excursions unveil hidden coves and sea caves, fostering seclusion and intimacy. Hike along the scenic path of the gods or explore neighboring gems like Amalfi and Ravello. Shop for stylish resort wear and vibrant boutiques, the vibrant colors reflecting the town's spirit. Find solace in romantic accommodations, from cliffside boutique hotels to cozy bed and breakfasts. In today's video, I will talk about the beauty of Positano, Campania. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Scenic Beauty. Positano's scenic beauty is nothing short of a masterpiece. Perched dramatically on towering cliffs, the town's pastel-colored buildings cascade down towards the glistening Mediterranean Sea. The narrow cobblestone streets wind through a maze of bougainvillea-draped archways, creating an enchanting atmosphere that invites couples to explore hand in hand. As you ascend or descend the town's numerous steps and staircases, each turn reveals a postcard-perfect view, making every moment feel like a romantic adventure. The lush terraced gardens and lemon groves that cling to the cliffs add a fragrant and vibrant touch to the landscape. Whether you're gazing at the town from the sea or admiring it from above, Positano's scenic beauty is a visual symphony that never ceases to amaze. Number 9. Beaches. Positano boasts some of the most captivating beaches along the Amalfi coast. Spiaggia Grande at the main beach is a crescent of smooth pebbles and golden sand, framed by colorful umbrellas and a backdrop of charming pastel buildings. It's the perfect place to soak up the sun or take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. For a quieter escape, Fornillo Beach is a short walk away, offering a more intimate setting. Both beaches provide opportunities for romantic walks along the shoreline, where the lapping waves set a soothing rhythm. Sunsets here are a spectacle. The sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the sea and cliffs. Couples often gather to witness this daily marvel, making it an ideal spot to share a quiet moment and celebrate the beauty of nature together. Whether you're lounging on the sands, swimming in the sea, or simply savoring the coastal ambience, Positano's beaches are a sanctuary for lovers seeking tranquility and romance. Number 8. Sunsets. Positano's sunsets are the stuff of dreams, igniting the sky with an ethereal display of colors that casts a spell on lovers. As the day wanes, the sun gracefully descends, bathing the Tyrrhenian Sea and the Amalfi coast in a mesmerizing palette of fiery reds, soft pinks, and deep purples. The cliffs and pastel buildings create silhouettes against this natural canvas, enhancing the romantic ambience. Couples flock to vantage points like Spiaggia Grande or cliffside terraces to witness this daily spectacle. Holding hands, you can savor a sense of wonder and serenity as the sun bids farewell, marking the end of another perfect day in Positano. Number 7. Fine Dining. Positano is a culinary haven where romance flourishes over delectable Italian cuisine. The town boasts a plethora of intimate restaurants and cafes, each offering a unique dining experience. Enjoy candlelit dinners with tables perched on terraces overlooking the sea, where the moonlight dances on the water. Freshly caught seafood takes center stage with dishes like linguine al vongole and grilled branzino, tantalizing your taste buds. Local wines, such as the renowned Amalfi Coast whites, accompany your meals, enhancing the flavors and setting the mood for romance. The attentive service and warm ambience ensure a memorable dining experience, perfect for celebrating love. After your meal, take a leisurely stroll through the enchanting streets, savoring gelato or a shot of limoncello, keeping the magic of the evening alive in Positano's charming embrace. Number 6. Boat Tours. Exploring Positano and the Amalfi Coast by boat is a romantic adventure you won't want to miss. Hop on a private boat tour with your beloved to discover hidden coves, sea caves, and secluded beaches. The turquoise waters and rugged coastline create an enchanting backdrop as you sail along the coast, enjoying privacy and breathtaking views. Dive into the crystal-clear waters for a refreshing swim, toast to your love, and let the gentle sway of the boat serenade you into a state of pure bliss. It's a journey of intimacy and discovery that defines Positano's allure. Number 5. Hiking. For couples who relish adventure and natural beauty, Positano offers captivating hiking trails. The renowned Path of the Gods, Sentiero degli Dei, invites you to embark on a scenic journey high above the cliffs. As you traverse ancient pathways, you'll be rewarded with panoramic vistas of the coast, the sea, and lush landscapes. Another option is exploring the charming trails leading to neighboring towns like Amalfi and Ravello. Hand in hand, you can wander through lemon groves, encounter quaint villages, and relish the serenity of the Amalfi Coast's rugged terrain. Whether you're avid hikers or seeking a leisurely stroll, Positano's trails provide the perfect backdrop for romantic adventures in nature. Number 4. Shopping. Positano offers a shopping experience as charming as the town itself. Its boutique-lined streets are a treasure trove of stylish resort wear, handmade ceramics, and artisanal goods. Couples can explore these quaint shops together, discovering unique clothing, sandals, and accessories adorned with the vibrant colors of the Amalfi Coast. Local lemon-themed products like limoncello and lemon-scented souvenirs make for delightful keepsakes. Shopping in Positano becomes a shared adventure, where each find tells a story and adds to the memories you create together in this romantic paradise. Number 3. Romantic accommodations. Positano offers a range of romantic accommodations tailored to couples seeking intimacy and luxury. Boutique hotels perched on the cliffs provide stunning sea views from private balconies, creating the perfect setting for morning coffee or sunset toasts. Cozy bed and breakfasts, tucked away in the heart of the town, offer a more personalized experience, with charming rooms and friendly hosts. Many accommodations feature opulent amenities such as spas, infinity pools, and fine dining restaurants, ensuring that every moment spent in Positano feels like a honeymoon. Whether you choose a 5-star hotel or a charming guest house, Positano's accommodations are designed to kindle the flames of romance. Number 2. Local culture. Positano's local culture is a vibrant tapestry of traditions, festivals, and artistic expression. Immerse yourselves in the charm of this coastal town by attending local festivals that celebrate its heritage, like the Feast of the Assumption or the Regatta of the Ancient Maritime Republics. Experience the rhythm of live music echoing through the streets or explore art exhibitions, showcasing the talents of local and international artists. These cultural experiences deepen your connection with Positano, allowing you to share in the town's rich history and vibrant spirit. Number 1. Relaxation and wellness. Positano offers a haven of relaxation and wellness for couples seeking rejuvenation. Pamper yourselves with spa treatments, including massages, facials, and wellness therapies, offered by many of the town's hotels and wellness centers. Picture unwinding together in a hot tub with panoramic sea views or practicing yoga on a tranquil terrace. The soothing sounds of the sea and the scent of lemon groves create a serene backdrop for your wellness journey. Whether you opt for a spa day or holistic healing experiences, Positano's commitment to your well-being ensures you return home feeling refreshed, reconnected, and deeply relaxed. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply looking for a romantic escape, Positano's charm, natural beauty, and intimate atmosphere make it an ideal destination for couples seeking romance and unforgettable memories on the Amalfi Coast. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.